What's up, everybody? This is my robot vacuum. The most impressive feature that I've found out about it is my molding on the floor. This trim, those brushes sweep underneath the crack in the molding, and it's actually quite incredible. And around the door frames too. And it gets dirt and stuff out that a regular vacuum wouldn't be able to get. So it goes around tight corners, has a sensor here on the front. So if there's enough light, it's gonna sense the wall and it's gonna turn before it hits. But if it's doing it in the dark, it's just gonna bump it like that, lightly. And then on the back here, I'll flip it over. It has Wi-Fi capabilities too. On the back, this comes out. These brushes, when hair gets stuck around here, they come off super easily. And you can just get the hair right off. And you can also buy replacement ones. I probably should replace these, but they're still working fine after a year. They come with replacement ones, I'm pretty sure too. And then it's got a roller up here. These two metal things are for charging. And then this has two compartments. A lot of dirt in my house. You can open that, and it has the air filter, and you can buy replacement air filters. This is a water tank because you can put a mop right on here, and it squirts water, and it goes around, and it mops. So this thing is a very simple one. I'm going to show you the charging station here. I need both hands. Okay, so I'm going to show you the charging station. It's right here. This is a much more simpler robot vacuum. They come in different colors. This one's white. So it has Wi-Fi, it has power, and it has home. So the home, you just put it right up there, and it just drives itself on. And once it loses battery, it's going to drive around your entire house till it finds the charging station. Once it gets within a certain radius, it's going to locate it, and then it's just going to drive up. This thing is extraordinarily practical. It lasts an hour and a half, 2 hours. From my experience, vacuuming fills up every time. I run it every couple days, and it still fills up just because of how much stuff is in my house. Anyway, that's a little review for you guys. A little robot vacuum.